In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, Huawei has once again raised the bar for innovation with its groundbreaking new product, the Huawei FreeArc. This cutting-edge device is poised to revolutionize the way we experience sound, blending sleek design with state-of-the-art audio technology. After using the Huawei FreeArc for several days, I'm excited to share my first-hand experience with you, including what I love, what I don't, and how it performs in terms of design, sound quality, and compatibility. If you're wondering whether the Huawei FreeArc truly lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive deep into every aspect of this impressive device. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Alright, let's jump right in and explore the Huawei FreeArc together. First, let's talk about the unboxing experience. Huawei has always paid attention to detail, and the FreeArc is no exception. The packaging is clean, modern, and premium, reflecting the quality of the product inside. Opening the box, we're greeted with the FreeArc charging case, which feels solid and well-crafted. The matte finish gives it a sophisticated look, while the compact size makes it highly portable. Underneath the case, we find the earbuds themselves, snugly fitted into their slots. The earbuds are lightweight and ergonomically designed, hinting at the comfort they'll provide during extended use. Unfortunately, it doesn't include a Type-C cable, but it's not a big issue since most devices today use Type-C, and chances are you already have one. It's a minor omission in an otherwise impressive package. Now let's dive into the design of the FreeArc earbuds, a true fusion of style and practicality. With their sleek, stemless silhouette, these earbuds not only exude a modern aesthetic but also minimize wind noise, making them ideal for calls or outdoor activities. The matte finish adds a touch of elegance while effectively resisting fingerprints, ensuring they stay looking fresh. Weighing a mere 8.9 grams each, they're crafted for all-day comfort, effortlessly blending into your routine. The innovative 140-degree optimal triangle and S-shaped curve design guarantee a secure fit, whether you're hitting the gym or tackling daily tasks. Built with premium liquid silicone and featuring a C-bridge design reinforced by ultra-thin shape memory alloy, the FreeArc earbuds are as durable as they are stylish. They've even earned the SGS Smart Green Medal certification, reflecting their eco-conscious construction. Available in 3 stunning colors, green, black, and gray, these earbuds also boast an impressive IP57 rating, taking sweat and water resistance to new heights. Truly, the FreeArc is designed to keep up with your lifestyle, no matter where it takes you. Setting up the FreeArc couldn't be easier. Just open the case, press the button for at least 2 seconds, and the earbuds instantly enter pairing mode, ready to connect in a flash. What's even better is the support for dual-device connectivity, powered by Huawei's cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This ensures not only a lightning-fast connection, but also rock-solid stability, no matter what you're doing. Switching between devices is just as smooth, making the FreeArc an ideal companion for multitaskers who need to stay connected across multiple gadgets without missing a beat. It's simplicity and versatility at its finest. Now let's dive into the sound quality, the heart of the FreeArc experience. These earbuds boast the largest driver in their segment, measuring an impressive 17 by 12 millimeters, delivering a powerful listening experience that cuts through even the noisiest environments. As my daily audio driver, I've been thoroughly impressed by the sound performance. The bass is deep and punchy, while the mids, highs, and treble are exceptionally well balanced, which is remarkable for an open-ear design. Whether you're in a bustling cafe or a crowded mall, the FreeArc ensures crystal clear audio by effectively minimizing background noise. The result? An immersive soundscape that adapts seamlessly to your surroundings, making every listening session a delight. But the FreeArc isn't just about entertainment, it's also a communication powerhouse. Equipped with advanced beamforming dual microphones and triple intelligent AI-powered noise reduction, it ensures your voice is transmitted with exceptional clarity, even in chaotic environments. Whether you're on an important business call or chatting with friends, the FreeArc guarantees you'll be heard loud and clear, without any distractions. Ready to hear it for yourself? Let's put it to the test. Here's the mic test in action.
Hello, mic test, mic test. This is the sound quality of the microphone of the Huawei FreeArc during calls. So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below.
Battery life is where the FreeArc truly stands out. The earbuds alone deliver an impressive 7 hours of playback, and when paired with the charging case, that number skyrockets to a whopping 35 hours of total listening time. Whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing, you can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or calls without worrying about running out of juice. And for those moments when you're in a rush, a quick 10-minute charge provides up to 3 hours of playback, ideal for when you're on the go and need a quick boost. With the FreeArc, power and convenience are always within reach. The FreeArc takes convenience to the next level with its intuitive gesture controls. A simple swipe adjusts the volume,
a double tap handles play or pause, and answer or end calls.
a triple tap skips to the next track, and a press and hold gesture rejects calls or activates your voice assistant. But that's not all. The FreeArc also boasts an ultra-long connection range, staying reliably connected up to 400 meters in open spaces like a runway, or 100 meters in office environments. Plus, with its audio sharing feature, you can connect 2 pairs of Huawei earbuds to the same Huawei phone or tablet, allowing you to share your favorite tunes with a friend or loved one seamlessly. For even more functionality, the AI Life app unlocks a world of possibilities. From checking the battery levels of the earbuds and case to customizing sound effects, voice assistant settings, and gesture controls, the app puts you in full control. You can even use it to locate misplaced earbuds or download future updates to keep your device at its best. With the FreeArc, every feature is designed to enhance your experience, making it as smart as it is stylish. The Huawei FreeArc is more than just a pair of earbuds. It's a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation, quality, and user-centric design. From the premium unboxing experience to its cutting-edge features, the FreeArc delivers an unparalleled audio experience that's as versatile as you are. Its sleek, ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort, while advanced technologies like dual-device connectivity, ultra-long-range Bluetooth, and AI-powered noise reduction make it a powerhouse for both entertainment and communication. With impressive battery life, quick charging, intuitive gesture controls, and the added functionality of the AI Life app for customization and updates, the FreeArc is a reliable companion for every scenario. Whether you're a music lover, a busy professional, or someone who appreciates premium design and innovation, the FreeArc stands out as a high-performance audio solution that truly lives up to the hype. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Huawei FreeArc. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!